Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Good morning, everybody. I just woke up later than I wanted to, but we're gonna start working on that. I was in the mood to make me and my boyfriend some nice oatmeal, and usually I have oatmeal in the morning or grape nuts. Sometimes I'll have cereal. It just depends, but usually like during school days I will always have oatmeal because my boyfriend makes me breakfast most of the time. But today I'm gonna make him breakfast just because I wanted to do something special, so I'm gonna take you along with me. Also in the morning I don't really have any coffee or tea or anything, so I like to just have water. I don't do anything special, nothing like lemon water, ice water, warm water, whatever it is. I just have room temperature water from my water bottle and just drink some of that. So have some quick oats right here, and I'm just gonna pour some into the bowls. You can use whichever milk you want. Obviously I'll use a plant-based milk, but right now this is the oat milk that I'm going to be using. Usually I'll just use almond milk or soy milk. And I'm just going to cook these for about 2 minutes each. Okay, so they just finished cooking. Now I'm just going to start adding everything into it. Now I'm gonna take the best peanut butter ever. This is the creamy, all-natural Smucker's peanut butter, and this stuff is really awesome. It only has peanuts and a little bit of salt in it, so no extra oils or whatnot. And it tastes really good too, so. And now I'm going to add just a few dates. And lastly, I like putting hemp hearts into it. I either like to put chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp into it. Today I'm just in the mood for hemp, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit on top and that'll be it. Okay, so that is it for the breakfast. I usually never finish it. I always have my boyfriend finish it. But if you are a big breakfast person and you need something to really fill you up, oatmeal is the key. It's really important to like fill yourself up, especially if you're on like a vegan diet. And this is just gonna get you started for the day, so. So for lunch I cooked up some tofu and added that to leftover pasta salad from the night before and just shared that with my boyfriend.
With you all summer and after rain. With you all summer and after rain.
So this night my dad made the dinner. There's miso rice, shredded cabbage, and some cooked tofu, and a little bit of homemade soy sauce.